Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights, where smart money moves lead to lasting freedom. What if I told you that your money could work harder than you do, and it's not just a dream, but a strategy? Today, we're unlocking the powerful wealth-building principles of Robert Kiyosaki, the man behind Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to grow their wealth on autopilot while others stay stuck in the grind, you're about to find out why. In this video, we'll break down how financial education, not a bigger paycheck, is the real key to multiplying your money. You'll discover proven strategies Kiyosaki teaches, from leveraging real estate and stocks to building true passive income. But this isn't just about numbers, it's about freedom. Imagine a life where your investments pay you, even while you sleep. That's not hype, that's financial mastery. So if you're ready to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and start building real wealth, stay tuned. Let's dive into the mindset, moves, and money habits that could transform your financial future. Starting today, understanding money mindset. Having the right mindset towards money is crucial for achieving financial success. Our beliefs about money shape our financial decisions, often in ways we don't even realize. For instance, if you believe that money is scarce or that you'll never be wealthy, those thoughts can lead to self-sabotaging behaviors, such as avoiding investments or spending impulsively. On the other hand, a positive money mindset can empower you to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Adopting a growth mindset is essential for wealth accumulation. This means viewing challenges as opportunities to learn and grow rather than obstacles. When you embrace a growth mindset, you become more open to exploring new investment strategies, seeking financial education, and taking calculated risks. This shift in perspective can lead to significant changes in your financial trajectory. Let's look at some successful individuals who transformed their money mindset. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She grew up in poverty but shifted her beliefs about money and success. Through hard work and a commitment to learning, she built a multi-billion-dollar empire. Similarly, Tony Robbins, a renowned life coach, overcame his financial struggles by changing his mindset and focusing on abundance rather than scarcity. These examples illustrate that anyone can change their financial future by altering their beliefs about money. By fostering a positive and growth-oriented mindset, you can unlock new opportunities for wealth creation and financial freedom. Remember, your mindset is the first step toward transforming your financial reality. So let's dive deeper into how you can cultivate this essential aspect of your financial journey. Investing basics. Welcome to the world of investing. Understanding the fundamental concepts of investing is essential for anyone looking to grow their wealth. Let's start by defining some key investment terms. First, we have assets, which are resources that can generate income or appreciate in value over time. Examples include stocks, real estate, and bonds. On the flip side, liabilities are obligations that require you to pay money, such as loans or credit card debt. Finally, cash flow refers to the movement of money in and out of your finances, highlighting how much money you have available to invest after covering your expenses. One of the most important principles of investing is to start small and gradually increase your investments. Many people feel overwhelmed by the idea of investing large sums of money right away. But the truth is that even small investments can grow significantly over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. By starting with a manageable amount, you can gain experience and confidence in your investment decisions. As you embark on your investing journey, it's crucial to research different investment vehicles. Stocks are a popular choice, allowing you to buy shares in companies and potentially benefit from their growth. Real estate is another excellent option, offering the potential for rental income and property appreciation. Each investment type comes with its own risks and rewards, so understanding these differences will help you make informed choices. In summary, grasping these fundamental concepts will set you on the right path towards successful investing. So let's dive deeper into each investment vehicle and explore how you can start building your financial future today. Creating passive income streams. Passive income is a powerful concept that can significantly enhance your financial well-being. Unlike active income, which requires you to trade your time for money, passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort. This means you can enjoy financial freedom while focusing on other pursuits, whether that's spending time with family, traveling, or pursuing hobbies. There are various sources of passive income that you can explore. One popular option is rental properties, where you can earn monthly income by renting out real estate. This can provide a steady cash flow while your property appreciates in value over time. Another common source is dividends from stocks. When you invest in dividend-paying companies, you receive a portion of their profits regularly, creating a reliable income stream without having to sell your shares. Creating multiple income streams is crucial for financial security. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. By diversifying your income sources, you can better withstand financial challenges and enjoy greater peace of mind. As you consider your options for generating passive income, it's essential to explore opportunities that align with your interests and skills. Whether it's starting a blog, investing in peer-to-peer lending, or creating an online course, the possibilities are vast. The key is to find something you're passionate about, as this will keep you motivated and engaged in the long run. In summary, passive income can be a game changer for your financial future. By understanding its importance and exploring various sources, you can take significant steps toward achieving financial independence. Leveraging financial education. Continuous learning plays a vital role in achieving financial success. In today's fast-paced world, the financial landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed is essential for making sound investment decisions. By committing to ongoing education, you empower yourself to navigate the complexities of finance with confidence. One of the best ways to enhance your financial knowledge is by reading books, attending seminars, and taking courses focused on finance. There are countless resources available that can provide valuable insights into various investment strategies, personal finance management, and wealth-building techniques. Engaging with experts in the field through seminars and workshops can also offer practical advice and networking opportunities that can further your financial journey. Staying informed about market trends is crucial for successful investing. Understanding how economic factors influence the market can help you make timely decisions about when to buy or sell assets. Regularly following financial news, subscribing to investment newsletters, and participating in online forums can keep you updated on the latest developments and strategies. For those looking to deepen their financial education, Robert Kiyosaki's books are an excellent starting point. Titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, and Cash Flow Quadrant provide foundational knowledge about money management and investing. These resources not only offer practical advice, but also challenge conventional beliefs about wealth and financial independence. In summary, leveraging financial education is key to unlocking your potential for financial success. By actively seeking knowledge and staying informed, you can make better decisions, adapt to changing markets, and ultimately achieve your financial goals. So let's embark on this journey of continuous learning together. Taking calculated risks. When it comes to wealth building, taking calculated risks is essential. While the idea of risk can be intimidating, it's important to understand that not all risks are created equal. Calculated risks involve careful analysis and informed decision-making, whereas reckless decisions are often impulsive and lack thorough consideration. By distinguishing between the two, you can make smarter choices that align with your financial goals. Before diving into any investment, it's crucial to assess your risk tolerance. This means understanding how much risk you're comfortable taking based on your financial situation, investment goals, and time horizon. Some individuals may prefer safer investments with lower returns, while others may be willing to take on more risk for the potential of higher rewards. Many successful investments have involved taking calculated risks. For instance, consider the story of Airbnb. The founders took a significant risk by investing in their idea during a time when the concept of home sharing was relatively new. Today, Airbnb is a multi-billion-dollar company, demonstrating how calculated risk can lead to substantial rewards. Similarly, investing in emerging technologies or startups can be risky, but those who do their homework and choose wisely can reap significant benefits. Taking calculated risks is a vital component of wealth building. By understanding the difference between calculated risks and reckless decisions, assessing your risk tolerance, and learning from successful examples, you can position yourself for financial growth. As we wrap up this discussion, let's take a moment to recap the key points we've covered. We started by emphasizing the importance of having the right mindset towards money. Your beliefs and attitudes can significantly influence your financial decisions. So cultivating a positive and growth-oriented mindset is essential for success. Next, we delved into the fundamentals of investing, highlighting how understanding key concepts like assets, liabilities, and cash flow can set the stage for effective wealth building. We also explored the significance of creating passive income streams, which can provide financial security and freedom. By diversifying your income sources, you can better navigate economic uncertainties and enjoy a more stable financial future. Additionally, we discussed the critical role of continuous financial education. By reading books, attending seminars, and staying informed about market trends, you can equip yourself with the knowledge needed to make informed investment decisions. Remember, the more you learn, the more empowered you become to multiply your money with the right strategies. Now it's time for you to take action. Embrace the principles we've discussed, assess your risk tolerance, and explore investment opportunities that resonate with you. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more financial insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these strategies. Together, let's embark on this journey toward financial empowerment and success. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.